welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the teapot or tea maker. So I'm going to unbox it. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and show you guys the set. So my wife also purchased a glass straw. So this might be fragile and easy to break, so I gotta be careful. So this one's the every cup fill another. Easy tea steeper. So yeah, this one is pretty expensive, not cheap. It's about $24.99 plus tax. Free shipping if you have Amazon Prime. So this one's easy to use. You make your tea right here, and then there's like a strainer or filter on the bottom. And when you set it the time to brew your tea, and after that, you just put it on top of your mug or your cup, and then the water's gonna, or the tea's gonna seep through it. So this is the product of Taiwan. So this is a thank you card. Share and give. And here's the instruction. Well, I guess not. On the bottom right here. I mean on the backing, on the back right here. And on the bottom right here is how to clean it. Or remove the bottom strainer. And this is the coaster. This one reminds me of the Tivana. And they are for this clear bottom legs. By the way, this is plastic. And this is the strainer right here. Oh, it's fitting there pretty tight. You could also remove this to take it out and wash it. There you go. So this is a stainless steel strainer. By the way, once you let your tea sit on this strainer, you tend to change it to brown. So you might want to use like a vinegar after you make the tea to soak it. And then there's a bottom piece right here. It's a clear. Those are rubber. See, once you set the cup, it's gonna open, and when you lift it up, it's gonna seal itself. You could push outward to take it out. Okay, that's how you wash it. And by the way, this one is removable too. Just push toward the top and it's gonna come apart. Although you might want to pry this like a lip on the bottom here. There you go. Like that. And if there's a stain, coffee stain, you can pop it out and then wash it. Let's go and then pop it back in. Yeah, make sure it's sitting there correctly. Because one time my wife take it out and it did not seal properly because it's didn't sit evenly. So and by the way, you want to go and then wash it before you use it, because it's being the factory and stuff. So yeah, let's go and then check out this glass straw. It says shatter resistant. So and then they come with this brush. So they have 6 of this 15 degree angle straw, and 6 of this straight straw. Yeah, these are the glass. Pretty thick. And on the both end, pretty smooth. So you use this to insert in there in case the boba or whatever got stuck all the way in there like that, and clean it. Gonna insert in both ends, okay? And sometimes you have the coffee or the tea stain around the top and bottom. So once you finish it, the tea or whatever, or using a straw, you want to go ahead and rinse and brush it right away. Or else the stain is just going to stay there. And you need to use distilled white vinegar to clean it, to become white again. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. And please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.